Hey guys, it's Mrs. Salcetta. I'm here to show you how to finish your garden work if you missed October 16th for garden class. So there's quite a few attachments on here that you're going to be doing. The first thing you're going to do today is watch this video about how plants communicate with each other. After you watch this video, you're going to click on the How Plants Communicate Jamboard. Once you're on this Jamboard, you'll notice there's a picture of a tree. And so I want you to think back to that video and think to yourself, how do plants communicate with each other? So you're going to add a sticky note by clicking on this right here, sticky note. And then you type how plants communicate right here. Plant, and you need to be a full sentence. Plants communicate by ... And then you save it, and then you can cancel that, and you can move it around. You can make it bigger. You can delete it, edit it, duplicate it, whatever you need to do. So just do one post-it note describing how plants communicate. After that, you're going to watch this video of Secrets of the Garden, and this will show you unique ways that we use plants for different businesses, like shampoo businesses and things like that. After you watch that video, it's a little bit of a long one. After you watch that, though, you're going to go to this Google slide. This is a community Google slide, which means we're all using it. So you need to find a blank slide that nobody else has started, and then type your name on there. You're going to create your own 3 questions. Instead of answering my questions, you're going to come up with your own questions that have to do with that video you watched. And then you're going to answer your own questions. So this would be an open slide, so you would put your name. My name is, so I would put my name is Mrs. Salcetta. Then you could number for your 3 questions. 1, 2, 3. Come up with 3 questions, and then you need to answer your questions. So another 1, 2, and 3 for your answers. If you'd like to add a picture, you're welcome to add a picture. Otherwise, I really just need your questions that you created and then the answers to your questions. If you are confused about how to complete this assignment, then comment on the assignment and I'll explain it to you. Thank you so much.